In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a functional back-to-top button in Figma. If your designs include long scrolling pages, a back-to-top button makes prototypes easier to navigate and feel more polished. We'll set it up directly in Figma using a simple component and a scroll to interaction. Start by opening the design you want to prototype. Choose the frame that actually scrolls. This is usually your main page or content frame. Now design the button. Keep it small and clear, like an upward arrow icon or the word top inside a rounded shape. Give it enough contrast so it's easy to see over content. When you are happy with the look, turn it into a component so you can reuse it consistently and update it in one place later. Drag an instance of that button into your main scrolling frame and place it near the bottom right corner. Position it inside the frame's bounds so it moves with the content when the page scrolls. Make sure it doesn't cover important elements and that T here is a little breathing room from the edge. Next, create a simple target at the very top of your page. This can be any small shape or element sitting at the top of the same scrolling frame. Think of it as an anchor that marks exactly where the scroll should land. It can be visually subtle, it just needs to exist so you have something to link to. Switch to the Prototype tab. Select your button, then drag the blue prototype arrow to that top element you just created. In the interaction details, set the trigger to on-click. For the action, choose Scroll to. Finally, select Animate to give it a smooth natural scroll effect instead of a sudden jump. This makes the interaction feel intentional and helps viewers keep their context as the page moves. As long as your frame is set to scroll vertically, Figma will handle the motion for you. Keeping the target element near the top edge helps the viewport land neatly. Now it's time to test. Click play to open your prototype, scroll down the page, and then click your back to top button. You should see the viewport glide back to the top anchor you set. If it doesn't, double-check that both the button and the anchor are inside the same scrolling frame. That's it. Thanks for watching.